guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be sharing 10 tips on how to make your house smell amazing. The first tip may seem like an obvious one, but it is to use candles. I like to light a candle in our kitchen so that our main living area smells amazing, and I also like to light candles in our bedroom so that our bedroom and bathroom also smell really good. Tip number 2 is to use essential oils in your drain. I like to start with a clean sink and either use lemon or peppermint essential oils to make the whole kitchen smell fresh. Tip number 3 is to take your trash out regularly and then use essential oils in your trash can. Again, I usually use lemon or peppermint essential oils for this. Tip number 4 is to use good smelling cleaning products. I love all of the Mrs. Meyer's and Method cleaning products. They're more natural and they smell amazing. Number 5 is to diffuse essential oils. There are so many benefits to using essential oils other than making your home smell good. There are health benefits, they help clean the air, and there are so many essential oils out there. For the bedroom, my favorite blend, especially around bedtime, is lavender, bergamot, and frankincense. It really helps calm us and get us ready for bed. For the kitchen, I usually like to use citrus scents. I like mixing citrus with peppermint, so lemon or orange with peppermint. And I also like to use just citrus scents as well. I really like to mix the lemon and orange together. Tip number 6 is to open your windows. If you find that your house is feeling stuffy or just not very fresh, opening your windows allows all of that fresh air to fill your home, and it just makes it feel so clean and airy and fresh. Tip number 7 is to use a room and linen spray. I really like the Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Room Spray. It smells so clean and light and just helps eliminate any odors in our home. Some examples of some fabrics you can spray in your house are your couches, your bedding, any of your curtains or drapes, as well as your pillows and shower curtain. Anything that's going to hold on to a scent, go ahead and spray it with a room or linen spray. Tip number 8 is to put essential oil on your toilet paper roll. I have seen people take a Q-tip and put the essential oils on the Q-tip and then slide that in the roll. You can do that, or you can put it directly on the roll. Number 9 is to make a simmer pot. This is just where you take fresh ingredients and you put them either in a crock pot or on your stovetop and let them simmer all day. I am just using some key limes and some coconut extract, and I'm just cutting up the limes, and I'm going to combine the limes, the coconut extract, and water and put them into a little crock pot and let them simmer all day. There are so many simmer pot recipes on Pinterest or on the internet. You can go by season or by holiday. Just pick one that speaks to you and what you would like your home to smell like, and it will fill your house with a fresh, clean scent. Tip number 10 is to put essential oils on your air filter. You just slide out the filter, put a few drops on it, and it instantly makes your home smell amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any tips on how you keep your home smelling amazing, please leave them below in the comments. I would love to know, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!